At a function held at the Taj Vivanta, Shillong on the 11th of February 2023, the Indian National Congress had released the party manifesto and the official party song for the upcoming Legislative Assembly elections in Meghalaya. The manifesto that was officially released by the General Secretary of the All India Congress Committee, Jairam Ramesh, includes aims and objectives to empower women and the youth, as well as a focus on education and healthcare, apart from promises towards the welfare of farmers, the girl child, and that of families living below the poverty line. Those present during the event included the AICC in charge of Meghalaya, Manish Chatrat, the members of the AICC media team, Advocate Matthew Anthony and Bobita Sharma, President of the MPCC, Vincent H. Pala, the Chairman of the Manifesto Committee, Dr. Celestine Lingdor, MPCC General Secretary in charge of Communications, Sanjay Das, besides candidates in the likes of Manuel Badwar, Ronnie V. Lingdor, Bethlyn Dakar, and others.
Thank you. Thank you. You play the song. Thank you. Thank you. You play the song.
It was the commitment, the dedication, and the love of India's Prime Minister then, Srimati Indira Gandhi, that led to the emergence, the formation of the full-fledged state of Meghalaya as a state in the Indian Union. Meghalaya means the abode of the clouds. But today, these clouds have taken on a different meaning. Today, the clouds are of not rain-bearing clouds, but these clouds are of corruption, these clouds are of unemployment, power cuts, these clouds are of a damage to the independent identity of the people of Meghalaya. And finally, these are the clouds of political puppetry, which I will explain to you a little later. In the last 5 years, we have had a government of the MDA, by the MDA, for the MDA. This is the Money Development Alliance. The alliance partners have taken a temporary divorce for the purpose of elections and are claiming to be fighting as independent parties. But let nobody be fooled. The NPP, the UDP and the BJP are all part and parcel of the same package. So the first fight that the Congress is fighting in this election is a fight against corruption. The extraordinary coal scam, the continuation of the inhuman practice of rat mining. I was the environment minister, and in many ways, I don't like to boast about what I did, but I am father of the NGT. I was the minister who piloted the NGT bill in Parliament and established the National Green Tribunal in April 2010. And it's extraordinary how the orders of the National Green Tribunal have been flouted in pursuit of private gains, private profits, in a most inhuman and degrading manner. Even COVID has not been spared. We have had huge corruption in the state as the COVID pandemic raged. So this election is for ridding Meghalaya of the virus of corruption. Second, I mentioned to you unemployment, power cuts, the extraordinary spread of the use of drugs amongst the youth of the state, Meghalaya is a state blessed with extraordinarily rich natural and human resources. But in the absence of productive jobs, in the absence of infrastructure, particularly power, and finally, the fourth cloud, political puppets. There is one puppet master. He sits in Delhi. And there are puppets in different states. Here there is one puppet called the NPP. There is another puppet called the UDP. And now there is a new third puppet that has come into Meghalaya politics. JMC, not TMC, JMC. Jonas Mukul Party, JMP. Be under no illusion. These are all part of the BJP's game plan.